Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another sweet review. I am trying to add equipment to my room so that we can record more and higher quality videos, either me or the students. And what I tracked down today is another sweet lavalier microphone. This time it's from Maono, and let's see how it works. So inside the box, you have got a tiny little microphone and a battery. Let's make sure we do not lose that. Right now I am recording the audio right off my phone, and then what we'll be able to do is we'll compare how this audio sounds compared to when it's just the Galaxy S9 and its built-in mic. Also comes with a carrying case. It has a tiny user guide, optimal setup guidelines with a QR code you can track it down, and the information on the back. As you can see, it also has an adapter for a 6.5mm plug. There's the mic. The cable is quite long, so you've got a lot of options. It does have a cable tie. Let's add the little pop filter. Clip on the little clip. And let's give it a go. Alright friends, so here we are testing the lavalier microphone. You can tell the audio is different. I will give you one heads up. When you plug it into your phone, you need to have it in the off mode so that it is a passive microphone. When you plug it into the PC and other tools, then you need to have it in the active mode, and you get to see how the audio sounds. Notice now when I move my head either way, I've got more accurate audio than if I was moving with my headphone. You'll hear in the other parts where as I turned my head, we got much different volume, as I was explaining the parts in the package. So let's take it over to the PC and see what it sounds like when we plug it in and use it with Camtasia. Alrighty friends, so now I'm at my PC with Camtasia running. We are running this through the Realtek that's built into the PC, and we're using the sweet little lavalier microphone from Maono. As you can see, it was less than $20, and there's even a coupon that you can save an extra 20%. Let's take a quick peek at the items on the left. In those little images right there is the parts list. They highlight that it has a flat frequency, which they note makes better recording for vocals and instruments, which is what I'm doing. They also mention that it fits all kinds of devices, has a 12-month warranty. Here they mention that you've got the switch. You need the switch on when you're using it on a PC like this, or you need it off if you're using it with a smartphone, which is where I started the project. High sound quality is touted, which we'll test. Active noise reduction. I don't have any real noises in here except the hum of the heater that I'm always dealing with. We'll see if that gets picked up. And it does have a huge cable length. I showed you that there are 2 cable wraps that keep this all tied together. It's got the 6.5mm adapter as well, so that just opens up more places where you can use your new equipment. Alright friends, so now that I've got the footage recorded, I'm going to give it a quick look, and then I'll do a final analysis when we wrap this video up. Alrighty friends, so I recorded all that footage and ran it through Camtasia, and I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed. Let's compare it to how it sounds with my Yeti microphone right now, and then I'll do my final review. Alrighty friends, so I'm gonna give this a thumbs up because for $20, it competes with my $100 or $120 Yeti, which is pretty impressive. I'm able to move this really quickly and easily to the other computers where my students are able to record in my classroom. I think we're going to find it unbelievably useful, and I think we're going to be able to use it to actually do kind of live broadcast as well instead of always recording with Camtasia. Alrighty friends, so if you found this video useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. I'll put a link to the product in the description as well. And if you haven't hit subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know there's another brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.